Okay, so here we are. I've welded this thing up, painted it, and now I'm fitting it in place. So you can see here, I've made it short, and I did that intentionally. I hope it doesn't end up being too short, but my thought was this is gonna tie in to where there's 3 or 4 pieces of metal here that all come together. And so I'll be tying into that. Then the rest of this can get cut off or bent. Typically you hammer this in and bend it around. And if you're gonna put larger wheels on, that's sort of what you end up doing, is hammering this over. Getting this tied in, I can see here that later on, the difference between this and this up here is a pretty significant difference. So I may end up cutting from here across and then putting a new plate at an angle that goes from the bottom of the white beam down to the point down here. So we'll just see. And then again in the back, you can see it's shorter here, so it basically ends at the end of the door. It's not ideal to have the door be your point of impact should you hit something, but if you can see inside of here, I ran it right to the back of this metal that's part of the body here. So I think here I'll end up cutting this right along here, possibly up higher, and just shaving that down. My plan is to put some 35s on this at some point, so I want to make the wheel wells as big as possible. So I think that's it for now. I'm getting ready to do some welding, so check back in later.